find my old electronics kit. I mean old electronics parts. I am finding 2-year-old camera, analog real camera module. I this that I take out analog camera, start out the system, now change, so I can join these black and green wire for switches. This is the select mode. I also connected. There were three wires. I am use only black and white and red wires to join them. Black wire, yellow wires open. Now I use a lot of these capacitors for my table. I am not sure it's work or damage, so I finish this video. I test this capacitor are what. This is the AC coupling capacitor, AC fan capacitor, 3.5 microfarad, 450 volt. Capacitor are not matter. This way test capacitor are leady or not. So this module then take a 3 volt for these two local dischargeable cells to create a boost of 270 volts DC. What is AC or DC volts? I talk about last of this video. This is a positive. So this is a DC, this is a battery matter. I connect multimeter parallel to module, camera module, and data wires. Black wire for black point. Capacitor are AC, so it does not matter which way connect the capacitor priority, but I will still connect it red and black wire for indication which one is positive, which one is negative. Neon cross, this side is extra. This is where the neon line. Yes, this is neon. Neon is connected series. Neon acts like a fuse. So first our capacitor are ES, internal ESR. ES, what is ESR? ESR are internal resistance when the capacitor are discharged. Capacitor internal resistance is I when connected to the main voltage, so it will drop down I amount of current. So it is connected with series with some load or fuse. Fuse is at LED acts like a fuse. So it is not dangerous. So I remember this is telling you this is a peak voltage, which means DC voltage 270 is highly dangerous. So never touch any point of this. It's a 2-year-old module, so it is never this tab. I lost this tab for holding the cell. Put cells for internal priority marked on bottom, and I joined these other points with this jumper table. But I already telling this I lost top tab of this module, so I am joining this directly to wire. You can easily see focus on multimeter. Voltage rise up 148 volt, 198 volts this time. I not think 198, I think 132 is. May still connection or lost. Yes, this connection is lost. I can never touch these output probes. Now focus again multimeter. So this voltage then up to maximum. So internal disk is built with internal capacitance like there my app. And I need the capacitor of this main module. So this capacitor are charged maximum 270 volts. So there is a dangerous, but I mainly say never touch. So just short them. I am not handling this thing right now, so my hand can either camera or my wire are lost. So now I think fine. 220, 230. Wire slip to my hand. Shit. I think little bit voltage drop, but still voltage are going more further. Let's going further. 220, 221. It's date for below and never touch any point holes. I think this one is okay fine. Now see LED are blinking, but I can disconnect it so it is not show. But I can when I shot these two wires of certain time, LEDs are blinking, which means faster can charge, which means faster are okay fine. But I will wait for this internal capacitor. You can see right here this when this charge after I replace other capacitance. So there's a capacitor of internal resistance. So that's why capacitor can short or this module when it's fully discharged. So there's a generate high amount of spark. I not recommending any testing without any experience. So wait for discharge first. I replace this capacitor, never test capacitor terminal again, so it is charged. Now replace this one with series light. Remember, light not connected a parallel. I after the internet I join these two tables for black and red for connecting LED in parallel. But remember, it's first close turn off this disconnected this module after 10 shot these two probes. Never shot these red and black wire. There's a huge amount of problem. So wait a while. Multimeter is showing readings of 58. So I think it is a now I will wait for few times after discharge, but before discharging, give me some. Sir, I made a little bit longer video, so it is may I can divide a two parts afterward. Or first, without wasting any time, I tell what is this is a AC wave. I think C wave. This is a like DC light either. Yeah, this is a DC wave. So AC wave mean a AC sine wave is a alternative term, which means these are two wires 0 1 1 0 0 1 at 1 second is under term, which means one wire is live, one is neutral, but there are one wire is charged high voltage positive volt and one wire is negative and other is positive and negative, which means voltage can start 0 to 100 plus and minus 100 and again 0 volts. So voltage can rise up to plus 100 volt and it will slowly down to minus 100 volts. It is not matter 100 volts for country, few country are 220, few country are 400, I mean 240 or some are 120. So they are not matter. I give example for. So it is not matter. It is change of priority in one setting for other than. So AC are used for appliances when need alternative current. Alternative current is change of pole changing current. Which means it does not matter which wire is live voltage or which wire is minus volt, negative voltage, which is minus voltage, and which wire is plus. So it can change a phase shift between live neutral, neutral live, live neutral. That's why it is called the AC volt. That is straight, so it is not directly matter DC or AC. I mean positive or negative is directly matter. So it is that line which means positive wire is also positive, negative wire is negative, not a phase shifting. Transformer need, but one thing, there's a more wave, triangle wave, scale wave. This wave can find of oscilloscope. Oscilloscope I have don't oscilloscope, so I not. But I tell simple way. Oscilloscope is a CRT TV type thing, but there's a shape see sine wave. But if you do oscilloscope, sometime you can see electrocardio machine is also made of oscilloscope with probe, special type of probe. This probe is amplify your body voltage. So human body can run of internal blood passing So blood is that pass with human body that is generate a small amount of voltage like 1 to 2 volt AC 50 hertz. So that voltage not like anything, but its voltage can get a amplifier to see your oscilloscope setup. So that step is see easily. That CRT means cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube are one tube with filled with neon gas with connected to two probes. Two probes. One probe are high voltage ground and one probe is high voltage positive for EHT power supply. What is a EHT? EHT is high voltage flyback transformer when generate a very high voltage to one, which means thousands volt on mega thousand voltage generate easily. So fly may I hope there's a lockdown for coronavirus, so I can not go for electrical shops. So I hope lockdown is very totally open. May I purchase some flyback transformer and may I made a video very quickly on soon. I'm not expectful, but I, may a few days I made with flyback and more stuff, which will very good things. May upcoming videos I will watch. So it is like them on subscribe also now. But other there's all virus issues, so stay at home. But it is discharged like 37%, so it might be thing is that you more time. But there one way is to quickly do this job by directly connect this wire to this black wire and create a huge amount of spark. But I not take risk and I not take risk for any people do this without any experience. So voltage is quickly drop, but quickly not. It's very slow. Wait a while after I replace. What is AC or DC current? I mean AC DC current. I already told what is the current and volt and ampere and watt. Volt, for example, this is a capacitor. I example this is acts like a volt, which means it is a weight. This I give example. This is a capacitor. Weight acts like a volt. I am my body energy acts like a current, which means I throw the capacitor to the floor like this. For my passion, there's depending on voltage on current is divided plus, which means current and voltage plus equal total power is what. When I throw that capacitor, I mean object, I am depend lots of create a force to throw the object. My force is start the current and object weight is start the voltage. So for example, pipe flow the water. Water pressure is start the current. Water mass is acts like a volt. Mass is higher, the power pressure is low, so water cannot flow very fastly. Mass and pressure is both high, it is go forward quickly and fast. That's all. Which means water pressure is current. For example, water mass is volt, mass is high, pressure is slow, which means water cannot go very long distance. Pressure is high, mass is also high, that's go forward. Mass is low, mass is low, pressure is high, water also go fast speed in distance, long distance. So that's why these are done depending on which force you can throw object to other side, and weight is acts like the load, object weight acts like the volt. Total power of object, throw power on object, total weight is plus the watts. So volt watts term is till people but not till volt, which means volt is high, current is low, it's not damaged for human health. Current is high, volt is low, it is damaged for human health, but volt is high, voltage high, current is low is not a human health damage. So voltage are specific range, not a much high, which means 50 milli 1000 volts and just 1 microampere. It is also dangerous, but it is burn your skin. Okay, which is my it asking not mean you can use high voltage such as flyback transformer for 8 to 10 kilovolts, just less current, but voltage is still high but dangerous is as well. But voltage are certain amount of are not dangerous, like 1 to 50 volts with less ampere is not dangerous. So this way our human body resistance is like a 1 mega 1 to 1 small people are 1 to 10 megaohms, big people are 15 to 30 15 to 15 to 80 kilo mega ohms resistance cannot pass a small amount of turn for human body. So turn can drop, resistor can drop of turn, not a volt. So as like a, for example, I give a pipe pass of water pressure depending is turn, but water mass depending on volt. But when what happens when pipe is small, what main pipeline water line is very large, so water cannot pass a small hose in large amount of water. So water will be dropped for hose. That's why resistors work. Resistors as one less conductor with conductive element. When flow voltage flow I turn can pass one side and little bit turn for pass other side, and large amount of turn is not passing. So it's act like a conductor. This conductor can pass a turn but less amount of turn uh, with depending on the resistor element of resistor. Resistor are many types of resistor. Wire wound resistor, lead oxide resistors, or metal resistors, which mean a metallic plates. When you eat it is split for two close, so it is pass more turns, which means less resistors, more turns with NTC, negative temperature trophy shunt. Positive temperature trophy shunt with ETC is then less I less resistors I turns. So that is all the setup. This is all working is. But I after this experiment show you how the AC phase change. So voltage are drop like 5 volts. So less than 0 volt I have to replace this setup. So the capacitor is leaky, for example. I know that may are discharge this capacitor, for example. They are leaky. So if you can connect a probe like there and with process LEDs are continuously lit. So which means a capacitor are leaky or short. When LED is not working all the time, which means capacitor are burned. When LED blinking, which means capacitor charge. If connecting after discharging capacitor time, LEDs are blinked, so capacitor are charged very well. But there the capacity matter. My capacitor are 3.5 microfarad, so it is less capacity, so it's not worth for more long time. But if you can after this charge working is never tingling about the capacitors all and them. After removing the capacitor for fan and any application, first short up pins of capacitor with insulation, iron or tester for safety reasons. Otherwise, people can tingle like this, so there's a huge nasty shock. So voltage is hopefully drop down. But I say there's a few minutes more wait for properly discharged. This is the main capacitor for this. I took it out 5 to 6 year old, May 5 it's not, May a 20-year-old real camera, analog real camera. This thing is easily fine for cameras, analog real cameras. but there I not many people without any space with do this. Take a camera, I think I take a little bit risk. What your opinion? No or yes? No? May I think take amount I will take a may risk. May I think wait a while. So my wires are not best quality. You can see this black brown I can actually the neutral wire for this wire is not high quality, so it is melted down. So previously I can change a few wires, so I not take any risk. So I think wait a few more times means for do this job better. But I will make decide to make a sanitizer video as well. But I this time anything is locked down, so I not have ethanol for which quantity I will need. So I will not make for this moment. But now I will tell somewhere just one word. I think I did a lift. So nothing anything happened. So you can see voltage are dropped, which means these capacitor are internal resistors. Now this charge I touch wires, but I not thinking. But it is safe to touch, but I not man on not think. So multimeter wire are disconnected. I will take multimeter wire as well as module wire as well as capacitor wire. Now at this charge, so I will touch it. But remember, I not managing to touch this. So most are time capacitor are I capacity like a 1000 farad for this capacitor or this capacitor. So this way after you can touch it is dangerous. Now I can see hopeful I can see maximum voltage when I can generate this but module. But my hand is slipping, so it is never problem. 148 somewhere previously somewhere 220 volts. So you can see the capacitor I otherwise reactive, but LED are not blinking. Focus on the light. So this is a neon LED, but there are problem with notice is I not connected with series with resistor. I can purchase this LED with resistor are lost. I will remove this resistor, but there are high voltage, so my LEDs are glow in pinkish color. So original color is yellow. So I think that's enough. Now test it. Cameraman take aside, so I cannot take. Nothing I need to do. I think made a mistake as well. So cameraman cannot focus to the main thing, but I will do this job again for once more time, so it is consume lots more time. I think I make these two separate videos in cutout, but when see there are, for example, AC voltages, there are neon LED indicator. When I connect it, so you can easily see, I will rubbing on this wire to this point. There is part, which means this is a battery or DC transformer can need AC voltage. So it is I can charge the transformer internal winding with voltage, and disconnected there is a flyback effect with secondary winding. There is a boost of 10 times boost internal voltage. So internal voltage is 9 volt, so it is 10 times boost, which means to 100 volt, but not 100. This way is 1000 volt. In my case 100 volt is, so neon on what 100 volt. So you can see when I connect it, only one filament is bright. When change the battery polarity filament, flip the polarity other side, and you can see I think I can short a battery both terminals. You can see in this time neon other filament is working, so in the phase shifting, which means positive. This wire is output positive. When I give this wire is positive, so this wire is output positive. So it is a flip the polarity. When I internally flip the polarity, so you can see this filament is working. When I then flip the polarity, other filament is working. That's why AC can change the frequency. So that's why inverter can need a oscillation circuit to oscillate a PWM signal to switching and change the phase shifting effect. That's why easy to drive transformer. Other I made this clip for 9 volt battery. I have lots of I have one old battery for 9 volt battery. I put it out all dust with there's a 6 cells with 6 paper cells with carbon PbO4 type substance. I then put it out all and need only one dish and practice them. So I put the wire in 94 volt. So there are I put it and now that a USB tabletop only use 2 wires, red and black or red and yellow wires. Red wire to this point, black wire to this point. Black or yellow. So this point can fit this point. So this point is positive and this point is negative. But it fits reversely. So this point fits to negative point and this negative point fits positive point. I remove battery, I connect only this wire. So it is easy to carry, easy to put any circuit and remove only battery, not remove entire circuit, break down entire circuit. But there's still voltage left. I need wait a few while and these two batteries after I test these one capacitor. So video are may or long first explanation. Leave me notepad in ballpoint. ESR or ESL is internal inductance. So capacitor when capacitor is fully discharged, capacitor are internally resistance or inductance. So that's why you can connect the capacitor directly to some voltages. Capacitor can blow your power supply. So capacitor can short cross positive and negative voltage your power supply line. So that's why connected with series 1 fuse or other applications. Fuse are not matter. So this way fuse are burned lots more time. So I can that a 1 million LED is not change very shortly. So I can show you how constant flow. My line are little bit slipping, so I'm not a scale. So for example is a pipe. When water can if a water apply weight is pushing an inertia to ground. You all people know earth are a large amount of magnets. So it is attract anything like object. People can jump to table to floor. People wait on earth magnetic field take to people pull to down. That's why people can not lift in air. People can jump table to floor. People wait or inertia can pull people to down to floor. So this is a depending on weight. This is a molecule of water. Water is weight. Water then falls down to ground. But there are pressure can higher to weight of this molecule. Water air this pressure can pull molecule forward. When molecule is higher weight, pressure is low, molecule cannot pass this pipe very quickly. So molecule is heavy, pressure is low, it is not move. And pressure and molecule both high, pressure now molecule is quickly low. Pressure is low, molecule weight is low, pressure is high. So that's why also object move forward very quickly. So how to find amperes with so there's Ohm's law. There are Ohm's law is you can put a two readings, different readings to take a one reading. For example, here put a voltage like there and they put our watts equal your and turn right there. So was for other example for volts. This way you can find a watts. Volt by ampere equal watts. So this way resistor on other times, so I not explain very further, so it is long theory about these are all. So me next time I will these thing I talk volt, watt, ampere or AC differs between AC and DC and capacity testing circuit. May I next time I talk resistance, how to calculate resistance and how to calculate resistance and inductance for next video. So next video for my flyback transformer there's also need inductance, or I will show every pin of every coil of flyback transformer resistors and show how to find out resistors using without multimeter. You can put some volts and amperes to use to put your power like amperes. Other example, I am using electrodiode. It's all new feature. It is a free version. I will install. There are three versions, but I will say free version are very best, useful, lots of features. After it is other video subject, but I will still show these things and what after when I hope lockdown is quickly open.